Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. This is Murmu Nahar Ivy, lecturer Department of ICT from Milestone College. Today's my topics HTML links, hyperlink. So now let's see what is hyperlink. HTML links are hyperlinks. A hyperlink is reference and address to a source on the web. Hyperlinks can point to any resource on the web, an HTML page, an image, a sound file, a movie, etc. A hyperlink is a text or image you can click on and jump to another document. Links allows to click and help to move from one web page to another web page. Advantages of hyperlink. Clicking on hyperlink, different pages of the same document or same location from same document or different location from different documents can be visited. And related information can be known by displaying instantly. And browser user can save his time. HTML link syntax. The start text bears the attribute of link. Element content link text determines which part will be displayed. Here A stands for anchor. The anchor tag is used to create a HTML hyperlink in a web page. To make a hyperlink in HTML page, use the opening anchor tag and closing anchor tags, which are the tags used to define the links. The opening anchor tag indicate where the hyperlink starts and the closing anchor tag indicate where it ends. Whatever text gets added inside this tag. And this is href. href, hyperreference. The hyperreference attribute determines the address of link. And this is URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Whole address is written in URL part. Types of HTML hyperlink. HTML hyperlink are generally divided into two types. First, external link and second, internal link. External hyperlink. Making link between two web pages locating in different server is called external hyperlink. With external link, page is connected to another page of the same web pages or to a page from different web pages. Absolute URL is used for external link. In absolute URL, protocol, host name and file name are necessary. In this case, protocol HTTP, host name of web server or IP address, file's name and path must be available. An example external hyperlink. href means hyperreference attribute. HTTP is the protocol. www.abccompany.com is the host name. Salary is path or directory and basic.html is the file names. This is the external link is the anchor link between the text, opening anchor and closing anchor tag. Internal hyperlink or local. If link is created between two pages from the same website located in the same server, it is called internal hyperlink. With internal link, a group of words can be connected with the part of same page or with the part of another page. Relative URL is used for internal link. It is not necessary to refer relative URL protocol and host name. Only the file name located in server is referred. For internal link, file name attribute is used with anchor tag. Example of internal hyperlink. This is a link. Here this link is a text will be displayed in the web page. Taking mouse pointer on this text, then if clicked on it, basic.html file will be displayed that stays in the same server. If file is available in another directory, in case of internal link, only directory name is written before file name in URL, such as here the text "This is a link" will be displayed on web page. Taking mouse pointer on this text, if clicked on it, basic.html file of salary directory located on same server will be opened. Dear students, I hope you understand the class well today. Stay home, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you to all. Allah Hafiz. Peace.